Today I'm going to be making fluffy banana pancakes. I have one ripe banana. It's early in the morning. I have not had my coffee and I thought banana pancakes for the family. So here's how I do it. For these pancakes, I'm going to use one ripe banana. This is a medium banana, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and I'm also going to be using a cup to a cup and a quarter of buttermilk. You could also use whole milk. To start, I am going to peel my banana and I'm going to add it to a large bowl. Now I'm going to take my whisk and give it a good mash. I'm going to add 1 large egg, give that a mix, and then I'm going to continue adding my wet ingredients. I'm going to add the oil and my vanilla extract, continue whisking. Now I'm going to add my flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and I'm going to start to combine it with the wet. Now I'm going to add my buttermilk, and depending on the size of the banana that you use, you may have to adjust the buttermilk. I ended up using 1¼ cups of buttermilk, and I'm just going to give it a mix, and it doesn't have to be smooth. Lumps are okay. On a preheated griddle over a low heat, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil. I'm going to wipe it with a napkin just to coat the surface. And now I'm going to add a ladleful of my batter. And I'm going to do this over a low heat. I don't want this to burn. And once my pancake starts to form bubbles, I'm going to give it a flip. And the first pancake always comes out kind of weird, but by the time you get to the next one, it'll be fine. And in between each pancake, I'm going to wipe it with that greased paper towel and just add another ladleful and continue the process. This recipe should yield around 8 medium pancakes. All of my golden banana pancakes are done, and now it's time to serve. I like to serve with buttered pancake syrup. You could also add a hint of ground cinnamon into the batter, but my kids prefer without. But these are simple to make and they're so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.